Hi, I'm Nico. I'm 23 years old.
Hi, I'm Rocheline. I'm 22 years old.
And
This
this
is
is
our
our
daughter,
daughter,
Aliana.
Aliana.
Say hi.
Hi.
First of all, I just want to thank to Brother David that he helped us what our need, and also I'm thankful to the Hope House because Hope House changed my life, and David also help me for everything what I need.
First of all, I want to thank God for I am still alive and my family is well. And thank you Hope House for um, helping us in physical, not just in physical but also in spiritual, because Hope House teach us Bible, and Hope House gives us hope. And I am also very thankful to Tito Dave and Ate Aileen. Thank you sponsors, thank you Hope House, and thank you Jesus.
Thank you Hope House, thank you Jesus, and thank you Brother David.
Thank you.
Thank you sponsors. Bye bye. Have a nice day.